So students, in this video we will learn about creating query on multiple criteria. Okay, so what is a multiple criteria means? Multiple criteria means condition satisfying two or more condition. If we are giving two or more condition, in that case it is called as multiple criteria. Now suppose for example our query, suppose our query 1 is extract records of male students who belong to 8th A. Okay, so this query will extract the records of male students of 8th A. Okay, but in the second case C, and the first one is AND condition, second case C, the second case extract the record of male students or students in class 8th A. Here or word we have used, so it will extract the record of all the male students irrespective of their classes, means it will extract the record of 8th B male students also. So same query we are doing, but the only difference is what, that of and or. So in the first case it is displaying the record of only that 8th A students and male student, but in the second case see 8th A and male we have entered, but as a or condition we have entered, so it will display the record of all the 8th A students, that is all the 8th A male students. Okay, and it will display the records of 8th B students also, which who are male. Suppose two sections are there, so it will display the record of 8th B students also who are male. Okay, so same thing we are doing in both the cases, but only difference is of and or. In the first case only 8th male student will be displayed, in the second case 8th male plus 8th B male also, because we have used the or condition there. Okay, now we will understand with the help of the example. Now this is our database table, as you can see here. This is our database. Now I will design a multiple criteria query for it. So for that I will go to the create tab. I will click on create tab and then I will click on query design. Now from here I have to select the table. So I will add it, and then as you can see here, from here you have to close it. Now see here one by one you have to double click all the fields of your table. So I am double clicking it. Now it is being visible here, all the check boxes are checked. So now here we can give the multiple criteria. So first of all we will try our AND criteria. So what was our query 1? Extract records of male students who belong to 8th A. Extract records of male students who belong to 8th A. So male students, so gender should be male. Here I will type M under the inverted comma like this. So I have written M. Male students of 8th A I want. So in the same row, in the class, under the class column I will write 8th A under the inverted comma. So 8th A I am writing. So 8th A. So this is an AND condition. It will display the record of 8th A students and male students of 8th A. So now we will run our query and then we will see what will happen. As you can see, only the records of 8th A students, male students only. Okay, this is AND condition. Now we'll try our OR condition. For that I will go back to our table and then I will create a new query design. I will create a new query. I will click on query design. Now I will add it, add this table. Now I will double click on every field. So first of all I have to close it, then double click on every field like this. Okay, now our query 2. What is our query 2? Extract records of male students or students in class 8th A. So here or word we are using. So 8th A student, under the class I will write 8th A. So I will write 8th A, and then instead of writing on the same column this gender, I will write in this or row. Okay, so under the or row I will write here M. Now what it will display? It will display all the male students of 8th A, and 8th B male students will also be visible. Okay, this is OR criteria. So now we will run our query. As you can see, when I will run, so as you can see, all the 8th A male students, okay, and all the 8th A students are visible here, all the 8th A. Okay, all the 8th A students are visible here, means male and female, and 8th B male also. Why 8th B male also here? Because in the or row we have written M. Okay, so it will display the 8th A students and the male students also. So it will display all the 8th A students and male students. Male student irrespective of their section. So 8th B male student will also appear here. Okay, because we have used it in OR criteria and we have written in the OR row. That's why all the 8th students and all the male student irrespective of their section. So this is how we use multiple criteria with two condition, and condition and or condition.